Hi everyone, welcome back to English Today. In today's video, we are going to talk about two idioms that you can use in your daily conversation. Number 1, to cost an arm and a leg. It means something that is very expensive. Example, number 1, this bag cost me an arm and a leg. It means this bag is very expensive. Second one, nowadays admission in a good school cost an arm and a leg. Okay. Number 3, his house cost him an arm and a leg. Okay. Number 2nd idiom is when pigs fly. Can pigs fly? No. So whenever we want to say never, we will use this idiom when pigs fly. He will buy me a new phone when pigs fly. Means he will never buy me a new phone. Second one, the landlord will renovate the house when pigs fly. Number 3, my boss will give me a raise when pigs fly. It means my boss will never give me a raise. So whenever you want to use this word never, you can use the idiom when pigs. I hope you will like the video, and if you do so, don't forget to share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching.